Hi everyone. If cleaning feels tiring because of age, back pain, or mobility issues, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 15 life-simplifying cleaning gadgets from Amazon that make cleaning easier, faster, and more comfortable. Let's get started. At number 1, we have the TUYU electric spin scrubber, $35. A powerful cleaning tool that makes scrubbing effortless. Its rotating brush removes tough dirt, soap scum, and grime from bathrooms, tiles, and floors. The long handle helps you clean hard-to-reach areas without bending, making it perfect for elderly people or anyone with mobility issues. Link in the description. At number 2, we have the Shark S1000 Steam Mop, a powerful steam cleaner that removes dirt, stains, and bacteria using hot steam without the need for harsh chemicals. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for cleaning hardwood floors, tiles, and laminate. This mop helps you clean faster, saves effort, and keeps your floors hygienic. At number 3, we have the felt furniture sliders for hardwood floors, a simple tool that helps you move heavy furniture easily without scratching your floors. These sliders reduce effort, protect your hardwood floors, and make cleaning under furniture quick and hassle-free. Link in the description. At number 4, we have the LJIACLEA bathroom trash can, a compact and stylish trash can perfect for small bathrooms and tight spaces. Its slim design fits easily beside toilets or cabinets, helping keep your bathroom clean and organized. It's easy to use, space-saving, and perfect for maintaining a tidy home. Link in the description. At number 5, we have the MEXERRIS Microfiber Spray Floor Mop. A convenient cleaning tool that lets you spray and mop at the same time. The microfiber pad traps dust, dirt, and spills effectively, while the built-in spray bottle helps control water usage and removes the need for a bucket. It is lightweight, easy to use, saves time, and makes daily floor cleaning faster. At number 6, we have the Giantex EP20313 Portable Washing Machine, a compact washer designed for small spaces like apartments or RVs. It allows you to wash clothes quickly without using a full-size washing machine. The portable design saves space, reduces effort, and makes laundry easier for people with limited mobility. At number 7, we have the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher. A compact dishwasher that makes cleaning dishes quick and effortless. It's perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs and doesn't require a permanent installation. This device saves time, reduces manual scrubbing, and makes dishwashing easier, especially for people with limited mobility. Link in the description. At number 8, we have the Libman Heavy Duty Scrub Brush Kit. A durable cleaning brush set designed to remove tough dirt, stains, and grime from floors, tiles, and bathrooms. The strong bristles provide deep cleaning, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip and better control. It helps clean faster and reduces the effort needed for scrubbing. At number 9, we have the XXXFLOWER Broom and Dustpan set, a convenient cleaning set designed for quick and easy floor cleaning. The long handles help you sweep without bending, while the dustpan teeth remove hair and debris from the broom easily. It saves effort, keeps floors tidy, and makes everyday cleaning more comfortable. At number 10, we have the chemical-resistant latex gloves. Durable gloves designed to protect your hands while cleaning. They help prevent contact with harsh chemicals, hot water, and dirt, making cleaning safer and more comfortable. These gloves are flexible, easy to wear, and provide a better grip while doing household chores. Link in the description. At number 11, we have the OXO Good Grip Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. A smart dish cleaning tool with a built-in soap dispenser. It releases soap with a simple press, helping remove grease and food residue quickly. The comfortable grip and efficient bristles make dishwashing faster and reduce the effort needed for scrubbing. At number 12, we have the FitPlus Reacher Grabber Tool, a helpful tool designed to pick up items without bending or stretching. It allows you to grab objects from the floor, shelves, or tight spaces easily. This tool reduces strain on your back and makes everyday tasks much easier for elderly people or anyone with mobility issues. Number 13, we have the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop, a popular cleaning mop designed for easy and efficient floor cleaning. The microfiber head removes dirt, dust, and spills effectively, while the spin wringer helps remove excess water without using your hands. It reduces effort, cleans faster, and makes mopping more convenient. At number 14, we have the Retractable Gap Dust Cleaner, a slim cleaning tool designed to remove dust and dirt from hard-to-reach places like under beds, sofas, and appliances. Its flexible and extendable design helps you clean narrow gaps easily without moving heavy furniture. It saves time, reduces effort, and keeps hidden areas dust-free. Link in the description. At number 15, we have the StarVal Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful tool that removes tough dirt, stains, and soap scum with less effort. Its rotating brush makes bathroom and tile cleaning faster and easier. It helps reduce scrubbing effort and saves cleaning time. If you found these gadgets helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.